12 Ways to Earn Money as Teenager.
Hesitating to ask parents for money drives money-making interest in teens. Pocket money can't afford to enjoy the most memorable part of life, like hanging outs, picnics, trips, clothing, etc. In this video I am going to share different ways for teenagers to make money. How can you earn money via running small businesses, providing services, online money making?
Online businesses always demand for hue resolution relevant photos. If you have good photography skills, you can upload images on website like iStore, gettey, Dreamtime, etc. You can earn for each download image. Jungle Scout is an amazing tool of Amazon which allow you to know the exact demanding products. Just by listing the right product you can earn thousands of dollars.
Pet animals like fish, kittens, chicks, puppies, are the most common pet animals. Teens can sell out their own pet animals in their social circle. Sell out some stationery stuffs in school, like pencils, erasers, markers and other necessary stuffs in your gathering. Working at grocery store or restaurant was my favorite job as teen. Work as cashier, waiter, sales assistant. It was interesting interacting with people.
Call center representative is a good way for part-time earning. The companies train their employees for scheduling appointments, providing customer services and answering clients about products and services. Rent out stuffs which are used less for you, like bikes, mobile phones, calculators, video games, books and clothes. Give offer on social media platforms or in your friends group. Car wash is the easiest and time-saving job. Many adults do not have time for it. You can provide service in limited resources. Teenagers can earn money by teaching online and offline, but try to involve your parents when you are doing it offline for safety and security. Local businesses prefer different social media platforms for the promotions. You can apply for the job of operating these platforms' activities. Busy families need run errand person for their daily important work like pick up groceries, drop off dry cleaning clothes, buying important stuffs, etc. Teenagers get errand running income. YouTube is an amazing platform for learning and earning. Vlogger earn thousands of dollars from YouTube.
Thank you for watching Mommies and Babies Ideas.